Hello friends, we're back again. No, hated it. G'day sweeties. Today we are making Christmas eggnog. And it looks like I'm very far out of my depth because there's a lot of things here and I'm only used to a couple of things that I can process at a time. We're gonna start with eggs. All right, so what we wanna do is we've got this small bowl and this big bowl, and you wanna separate the egg whites. I mean, usually you'd crack it perfectly in half, but you wanna get it so you're just like rinsing them through each other. I don't know, has anyone ever cracked an egg like that? And then you've got your other little bit and you pop it in the big bowl. Simple, straightforward stuff. Catch. Back and forth in the bowl. You need 4 eggs in there. And by the end of it, you get really good. Presto. With your egg yolks in the big bowl, you're gonna whisk those around, and then we're gonna slowly add sugar, 1/3 of a cup of sugar. Whisk it in, slowly introduce. Whisk it in, slowly introduce. Whisk it in. And now that's quite a big paste that you've got there. And then you get it to about this consistency. That's good. So what we've got here is we've got cream and milk. What I'm gonna do, how much of milk is that? That looks like about 2 cups. That says it right. Yeah, and a little swasser of cream. Mix that right in, and the cream, that's 1 cup of cream. And you mix that right on in. So that looks really good. What I'm gonna add now is the Christmas cheer. My friend Jack, you believe that as well, because I'm a bogan. That's about 100 mils, and we're gonna chuck that one right on in. Whisk that around. That actually smells like my childhood. I swear to God, it brought back memories. And then we're gonna whisk that all together. Nutmeg. So next we're going to move across to my grater, and I think we'll use this side. This side looks good. Nutmeg. And we're gonna take one of those, just shave that on in. That smells great. About a teaspoon. Camera 2. That's what it looks like. Now we have our egg whites, which if you want to have a look at that, there's a couple of little yolkies in there, but that's all right. And we're just gonna whisk that around. So we're looking for firmness.
Half-time swap.
Okay, half-time. Get the pregnant lady to do all my hard work. Here's one I whisked by hand. The exact bowl that you saw earlier. This is it. Okay, now that we have our whites, what we want to do is we want to fold it into our nog. So you get a little scoop, maybe like that, because you don't want to lose the air. Push it in and maybe do some like figure 8s. Looks like a little sinking ship. So I've changed the little folder for a whisker because it wasn't really working. Really nice, I like where that's at. Now we're gonna serve. All right, serve it up, pop it in there, grab your glasses, pop it in there. Ho, ho, ho. So now that I've got it in that actually looks pretty good. That looks good. So I'm gonna grab my little bit of nutmeg and I'm gonna grate that over the top. Oh, not there. And if you get a look at those bad boys, they are pretty good. They smell fantastic. They look festive. So this is Nico's famous eggnog, and it was really quite a straightforward process. I know all the bits look daunting. Maybe you at home, you don't have someone beating your eggs for you. But I do.